When considering software for your business, especially for crucial functions like payroll and accounting, it's natural to delve into the background of the company providing the solution. Understanding who is behind the software can offer insights into its philosophy, stability, and long-term vision. This is particularly true for businesses adopting a tool like Patriot software, known for its focus on small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, in the United States. So, who is the owner of Patriot software? The ownership structure of Patriot software primarily traces back to its founder, Mike Capel. He established Patriot Software, LLC in 2002. While the company has since taken on some external investment, it largely maintains its original entrepreneurial spirit and vision driven by its founder. Mike Capel is a serial entrepreneur with a long history of building successful businesses. His journey into software began even before Patriot Software, with a background in engineering and a knack for identifying market needs. He founded several other successful companies prior to Patriot Software, starting as early as 1986. This deep experience as a business owner himself has profoundly influenced the development and philosophy behind Patriot Software. Capel's personal struggles and triumphs as an entrepreneur fueled his desire to create simple, affordable, and effective accounting and payroll solutions for other American businesses. This founding principle of understanding the small business owner's pain points is a core aspect of Patriot Software's identity. Unlike some larger software conglomerates that might acquire smaller companies and integrate them into a vast portfolio, Patriot Software's origins are rooted in a direct response to the needs of the very market it serves. This direct connection often translates into a product that genuinely addresses the practical challenges faced by small businesses. While Mike Capel is the founder, the company operates with a strong leadership team. As of recently, Kyle Dreger has stepped into the role of CEO, having been with the company since 2014 and moving through various leadership positions, including Chief Product Officer. Mike Capel, while no longer the active CEO, remains deeply involved as the founder. This transition in leadership indicates a strategic move to ensure the company's continued growth and innovation while retaining the foundational values established by Capel. Beyond the founder and leadership team, Patriot Software has also secured series of funding from RZC Investments. This means that RZC Investments, a direct investment firm, has made an investment in Patriot Software. This type of investment typically provides capital for growth and expansion, but it doesn't mean that the company is no longer owned by its original founders or that it's now controlled by the investment firm. In fact, Patriot Software has explicitly stated that they have maintained majority control ownership of the company. This is a significant point for businesses considering their software, as it suggests a commitment to their original mission and customer-centric approach, rather than being solely driven by external investor demands. Why does ownership matter to a project management expert? As a project management expert, understanding the ownership and leadership of a software vendor is crucial for several reasons. Stability and vision. A company with stable ownership and a clear, consistent vision is more likely to provide reliable software and long-term support. Mike Capel's long-standing commitment and the deliberate transition to Kyle Dreger indicate a planned and stable future for the product. Product philosophy. The founder's background often imprints on the product's philosophy. Capel's experience as an SMB owner means Patriot Software is likely built with simplicity, affordability, and practical usability for small businesses at its core. This aligns well with project managers who need user-friendly tools for their teams. Customer focus. Companies whose owners are deeply invested in the customer experience tend to offer better support and develop features that genuinely solve user problems. Patriot Software's narrative suggests a strong emphasis on helping American businesses. Future development. Understanding who holds the reins can give you a sense of where the product is headed. If the leadership is committed to innovation and listening to customer feedback, the software is more likely to evolve to meet changing business needs. Risk assessment. While funding from external investors can be a sign of growth potential, understanding the balance of control, as in Patriot's case, maintaining majority ownership, can indicate a company that is less likely to be swayed by short-term financial pressures at the expense of its core product or customer base. In summary, the ownership of Patriot Software primarily rests with its founder, Mike Capel, who established the company in 2002 with a clear mission to provide easy-to-use and affordable accounting and payroll solutions for American small businesses. While they have recently brought in external investment from RZC Investments and transitioned the CEO role to Kyle Dreger, the company maintains its majority ownership and commitment to its founding principles. This means that when you choose Patriot software, you're investing in a product from a company whose origins are deeply rooted in understanding and serving the very businesses it aims to help. This kind of foundational ownership can provide significant peace of mind and a sense of alignment for businesses seeking a reliable and straightforward software partner.